This is one of my favorite topics, and that is business tax deductions that you can take advantage of so that you can lower your taxable income and increase the money that goes into your pocket and stays in your business. So I'm going to give you 3 deductions that I think most people are missing out on, and they don't know that they're missing out on. And people that I've been working with for 5 years, 10 years, I still have to re-educate them on these 3 things that they're not doing, or they're forgetting to do, or they're not doing properly. The first thing that you can do in your business right now to increase your business tax deductions is increase what you're spending in meals and entertainment, but that are in the 100% category. What a lot of business owners don't know is that there isn't just this umbrella of meals and entertainment where you go to restaurants or you order food or you go to a baseball game. Below this umbrella are 2 mini umbrellas, the 50% category and the 100% category. What goes in the 50% category is you're doing these things, they're business related, and you can deduct them. That's what the majority of meals and entertainment goes into. But the other piece are the 100% meals entertainment. Now, this would be anything that is for the convenience of the employer. That is under IRS code, and that's how they define it. What that means is if we're at the office early for a business meeting, or we're there working late and we order pizza, any meals that are happening, food delivery that's being delivered to give to your employees, that's going to allow them to work through when they would usually take a break or not be working at all, that are for the convenience of the employer, they are 100% deductible. Another one is any holiday parties, company parties. Those are, again, 100% deductible. So have a big, fun holiday party, pay for food, pay for alcohol, pay a nice tip to the people that are helping out with that event. It's going to be 100% deductible. Another way you can add 100% deductible meals and entertainment in your business is food delivery. I have a few clients that are very busy in their businesses, and for them, it's going to take a lot of time to stop what they're doing, go across the street and get a meal, and then come back. For them, they would rather work through their lunch, work through their dinner, and continue working. So how do they do that? They get food delivery. This is also a great way to keep your nutrition in check and keep your energy levels up during the day. If you go to lunch and you have a heavy meal and then you're out for the day, that's not going to help you. So meal delivery services are 100% deductible when they are for employees. Now, if you're an employee of your business, that includes you. So I have a lot of companies where the owners are having the food delivered to them, for them, and it's 100% deductible. Another business tax deduction that you're missing out on is qualified medical expenses. A lot of people will ask me, Noura, do I pay for this in the business with the bank card? Do I pay for this personally and then reimburse myself? Do I pay for it personally and then I go to my CPA and let him know what I paid and then he deducts it through my individual return, or is it through the business return? These are very loaded questions, but the simplest way to do it is with a flexible savings account where you put money into the account and use the funds, and also by setting up a qualified Section 125 plan. These are 2 ways to do it. There are different names for all these different plans, but I would recommend talking to a licensed health insurance professional that can set up a Section 125 plan for the health insurance and a flexible savings account. What a flexible savings account does is it allows you to move money from your business into an account. What you're putting there is deductible on the business end. Then now funds are in this account and you can use them at your disposal. You can go into Walgreens or CVS, buy your prescriptions, you can buy your cough syrup, you can buy feminine hygiene products, and they are all deductible and they are all coming out of that account because they are qualified medical expenses. You can ask your licensed insurance agent which expenses fall under this category of a qualified medical expense, but the list is very long and people are missing out on this. So I'd highly recommend setting those 2 things up. And another thing that you can do that's going to be greatly beneficial is see specialty doctors, whether it's a psychiatrist, whether it's a chiropractor, or it's someone that's doing some sort of, deep physical therapy on you. These professionals that you're paying most likely out of your personal pocket, which is using after-tax dollars, use your for-tax dollars, which are in this savings account. You're paying for these professionals, and through your business, you're able to get the care that you need to keep you efficient in your business, and it's all wrapped up and done properly through one of these two plans. Another business deduction that I love is gifts. As you can tell, I'm a giver with all this free content you're getting. But the IRS, in their rules, say the gift has to be under $25, which is really ancient, and they haven't changed this threshold for a long time. But do what you can with it. You can buy $25 gift cards, you can buy a bouquet of flowers, and it will be 100% deductible. So I'm a big believer that maybe around the holidays, figure out your biggest clients that you want to send something to, or there are people that refer a lot of business to you. Figure out who are people that give you a lot of value that you want to give back to. And look, it's going to be deductible. So take advantage of this. Keep it small, but a little bit can go a long way.